Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about Trigo, which is basically a startup company. It works under a domain called fintech, and then it participated in winter 2023 in YCombinator, and it was founded at 2022. So the basic operations in the Trigo company is they are verifying the rental payment history of their clients. So because so that good lenders may not be rejected. So they have an API which checks the reliable rental payment history. Now we'll discuss the BMC. What is their business model canvas and what are their key activities, resources, and what are they? How are their customers are segmented? How they have making a relationship with the customers. Okay. So now we'll start with Shaktishwar.
I am Shaktishwaram from AADS department. I am here to share about the customer segments of the Trigo company. Based on the Trigo company, the customers are AI developers, ML engineers, startup companies, AP documentation companies, researching companies, and startup students, and many people wanting free source from APIs. Offered from the Trigo companies are API documentation, unified authentication for APIs, keys, multiple code segments, and API testing and running runnable code, and API Deus engineers Google software enterprises writing and verifications.
So I'm Ram Pradeep from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm here to say about channels and its customer relationships. So in channels, API reaches customers through multiple channels. Some of the channels are official web application, developer portal, technical blog, GitHub repository, YouTube tutorial, college hackathons, technology conferences, and customer relationships. API builds long-term relationship by supporting the developers throughout the API cycle. Some of the strategies are a service-based platform, AI chatbots for technical assistance, community forums, user feedback, Discord.
From Department of AADS, I'm going to discuss about revenue stream and key resources. The revenue streams are API hub for a business model for API. That resources came from API hub and monthly plan subscriptions with revenue source, and to build a monthly subscription for API resources. For key resources, key resources used to API to build for database and sets to save a storage and to the cloud infrastructure and API gateway and database with a set of then technology and technology documentation and security infrastructure for an API hub.
Okay. So you discussed what point you have discussed?
API resources and
key resources of the Trigo.
I am Santosh from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science B. Major activities involved in operating a API hub AI activities. Key activities: API integration, API normalization, AI model development, platform maintenance, security management, customer support, continuous deployment, developer community engagement.
I am Nandakumar from third year AADS department. Let's discuss about the expected benefits from our first reduced API integration time. Next one is faster software development, improve developer productivity, and next one is AI recommendation, documentation and code generation, and last simple authentication system. Scope of our project is The mini project proposes a unified API marketplace by integrating with a set of selected public APIs. So it includes API integration, authentication system, AI recommendations, monitoring dashboards, and securities. So this enables a developer to access the multiple API without any complexity of a individual public APIs. So he can access multiple APIs.
So good that we have discussed about the business model canvas of Trigo company, and as you all know, Trigo company is basically a group of companies. So it has many tie-ups and many ties with retailers, grocery chains like that. So it has been integrated with the AA and AA research is also involved in Trigo, so that they are making so many innovations in their companies, they are having the grocery shop with customers who does not wait, so that they can check out for themselves itself, and they can automatically pay the bill and sell. So like that, Trigo has many legs in many retail companies and Finantech, but here we are mainly concentrating on the rental API pooling. So basically rental API pooling is pooling all your APIs and providing as a single API, so that the rental payment history of the landlords or lenders can be taken easily, so that it can be checked through a single API. So that so the good lenders may not be rejected, and those who have good payment rental history can be given chance for the buildings. Okay. So thank you.